Chef Ivan Flowers from San Diego, California. What we're going to do today is a Brie Crepe Filling. I'm going to show you how to make crepe, simple, and we're going to put a spin on this Brie. So what we're going to do is we're going to start out with some nice triple cream Brie. In this I also put a touch of Boursin cheese. Pickled ginger, also known as gari. You find it in sushi restaurants. It's going to put a nice little twist on this. So I'm going in with about a tablespoon of gari. I'm going in with fresh Maine lobster. A little bit of sweet chili sauce. Not too spicy, but it's got a little bit of a kick and a good balance. And then I'm going in with some nice fresh herbs, a little thyme, a little tarragon, touch of basil, a few chives in there too. Pinch of salt, pinch of pepper. I'm going in with the yuzu again. I like a little bit of lemon, just a touch. The stuff is like liquid gold, so. And we're just going to mix it up. Not going to blend it too much. I like it rustic, just where it starts to blend nicely. And you want to do a nice roll. Got a few crepes here. Now it's interesting when you're rolling crepes, if you want a bigger one, put two of them together. So you can go this way. If you want a smaller one, stay small. I'm just going to take some of the mixture. I'm going to go to the bottom end of the crepe. I'm going to do a nice roll. And then I'm going to push so it goes to the ends. It starts to fill out the ends, and as it's cooking, it's going to elongate out a little bit too, so I don't seal it. Just make it a little tighter. Keep the seam on the bottom when you go to cook it. Very simple. The old-fashioned firing plate. I'm going to go into about a 300-degree oven, not that hot and not that long. I'd say maybe about 5 to 6 minutes. So our crepe, nice golden brown color. I like a nice little confit tomato and a sweet roasted pepper.